Need to know how to get rid of woodpeckers in or around the house? If you're facing issues with woodpeckers damaging your property, here are some effective methods to manage and deter them without harming the birds. Woodpeckers are fascinating birds known for their distinctive drumming and pecking behaviors. While they play an essential role in the ecosystem by controlling insect populations and excavating cavities for nesting, they can sometimes become a nuisance, especially when they decide to make your home their drumming ground. Before taking any action, it's crucial to understand why woodpeckers are attracted to your property. Common reasons include searching for food, drumming for territory or attracting mates, or excavating for nesting sites. Identifying the root cause can help you determine the most appropriate solution. Visual deterrents can effectively discourage woodpeckers from frequenting your property. Reflective objects like shiny tape or aluminum foil strips hung near the affected area can create flashes of light that scare the birds away. You can also try hanging wind chimes or brightly colored objects to disrupt their comfort zone. Woodpeckers are sensitive to loud or unexpected noises. Utilizing devices that emit startling sounds, such as motion-activated alarms or predator calls, can startle them away from your home. However, be mindful of your neighbors and local noise ordinances when using these methods. Creating physical barriers can prevent woodpeckers from accessing certain areas of your property. Netting or wire mesh can be placed over vulnerable surfaces, such as siding or eaves, to deter pecking. Ensure that the barriers are securely attached and do not pose a hazard to the birds or other wildlife. Making your property less attractive to woodpeckers can help reduce their presence. Keep trees and shrubs trimmed to limit perching and nesting sites near your home. Remove dead or decaying trees, as they may attract insects that woodpeckers feed on. Additionally, consider providing alternative food sources, such as bird feeders stocked with seeds and suet, to divert their attention away from your home. Chemical repellents can be applied to surfaces to deter woodpeckers from pecking. These repellents typically contain non-toxic ingredients that taste bad or irritate the bird's feet, discouraging them from returning. However, exercise caution when using chemical repellents and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure safe and effective application. When addressing woodpecker issues, it's essential to adhere to wildlife regulations and guidelines. In many regions, woodpeckers are protected under state or federal laws, making it illegal to harm, trap, or kill them without proper permits. By using non-lethal methods and respecting wildlife regulations, you can effectively deter woodpeckers. If you appreciated this video, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.